Top 5 tips on how to grow zucchini in containers. Easy steps. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Want to grow zucchinis in containers? We've got you covered with our top 5 tips on how to grow zucchinis in containers with ease. In this video, I'll share expert advice on selecting the right container, preparing the soil, watering techniques, and more. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these tips will help you achieve your bountiful zucchini harvest. Learn the secrets to maximizing your yield and ensuring healthy and thriving plants. Don't miss out on these valuable insights. The first tip will be choose the right container. Use a large container at least 18 inches in diameter and 12 inches deep to accommodate the zucchini extensive root system. Ensure the container has good drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. So here I'm using a 5-gallon container, and it has holes at the bottom, so we're gonna start planting. So the second tip is select a suitable variety. Opt for a compact bush variety of zucchini such as Patio Star, 8-ball, Astia, which are better suited for container growing. These varieties tend to be more manageable and produce abundant yield even in smaller spaces. The third tip is use high quality soil. Fill the container with high quality soil mix that is well drained and rich in organic matter. Avoid using garden soil as this can be too heavy and may compact in containers, hindering root growth. So I make my own potting mix. It's very easy to do. I'll put a link with a video on how I make potting mix. So check out my video on how you can make your own good quality potting mix with regular organic matters for pennies. So I have all the potting mix in there, and I fill the container 2/3, about 80%. And since I'm gonna later on, maybe with after planting a couple of weeks, I can providing more compost, organic fertilizer. So that's why I'm filling it about 80%. The fourth top tip is provide adequate watering and feeding. Zucchini plants need consistent moisture, so water them regularly, ensuring the soil stays evenly moist but not overwatered or waterlogged. Feed the plants with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks to support healthy growth and fruit production. I water my plants with compost tea every 2 to 4 weeks. That provides that extra fertilizer and nutrients for them. So check out my video on how you can make fertilizer for your garden, organic fertilizer for your garden. After about a month, you can see how well the zucchini is doing, producing a lot of leaves, and a lot of shoots are already coming out. So just make sure you continue providing them with nutrients, and make sure that they have all they required, and keep an eye out on bugs and other stuff. Okay, if you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, you haven't subscribed to the channel, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. So tip number 5 is ensure proper sunlight and support. Place the container in a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Provide support for the plant by installing a small trellis or stakes, especially if they are growing vine variety. This helps keeps the plant upright and improves air circulation and reduces the risk of diseases. By following these steps, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of zucchinis from your container garden. So you can see after about a month and a half, we have a big zucchini here. It's growing, it's doing well. You can also see the other one on this side is also doing really well. Gonna be ready to harvest very soon. So just make sure that continue watering it and feeding it with organic fertilizers, or compost, and make sure that if you have any bad ones like these, just pull them out so that way the good ones continue thriving. If the ends get exposed to a lot of sunlight, they're gonna they're gonna damage it. So you also want to make sure that you don't cut down a lot of the leaves on top. The leaves protect the zucchinis underneath, but you can definitely clean it up a little bit. So this is it. It's really getting ready to be harvested, so we're gonna harvest this very soon. And growing zucchinis in container is very, like I said, it's very easy to do, and you just have to make sure that you follow the steps I've provided. Let me just give you an example. This is another one. This zucchini is grown in the ground, and you can see how lush and how big the leaves are. You can see also produce a big zucchini plant over there with a few more coming up. So zucchini, especially this variety, needs a little bit of space for them to be able to expand and open up. That helps them receive a lot of sunlight, and that helps them provide all the energy and the nutrients they need. So definitely you can grow it in the garden, or you can grow it in container, especially the varieties that I just told you can use. So very good. So let's go to the next step. Show you it's ready now. At least one of them is ready to be harvested. You can see how big it is. You see, it's almost touching the ground from the top of the 5-gallon container. And this other one is also coming along great. This one will be harvested probably within a week. But this one on the right is ready for us to harvest it. And when harvesting it, you can use a sharp tool to just cut it off, or you can just use your hand to lift it up, and it should break at the tip over there. But preferable use a garden shear or scissors to cut it off from the main plant. So we're gonna harvest it, and I'm gonna show you how long and how big it is. So I'm just using my garden shear right now to just cut it off. Just while holding it, because it's gonna fall if I don't hold it. Just cut it off. You can see easy like that, and you can see how big it is. Very big zucchini plant. So even though it could still continue growing bigger, I just wanted to show you guys how to harvest it, since I was making this video. But it can go even bigger than this. So okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, or just like to comment on the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. And don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, share the video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing.